Same also. Arrest him also. Arrest this lady also.
11:30 में शादी का घटना है सर.
This is all nonsense. Okay? This is all nonsense you are talking about. Arrest this guy. Arrest this guy also. इन सबको arrest करो. No.
बाहर जाओ ले जाओ. बाबू आए. तुम बिचार करो हमको दे.
आपको मालूम नहीं है चले उठे उठो बाहर निकलो अभी तुम्हारे सो के जेल में जाओगे बाहर निकलो क्या तुम्हारे चल रहा है आगे निकलिए और काम out immediately. Manikya Court and the Gulab Bagan are banned. They will not be allowed to function for next 1 year as marriage halls. All these people who are assembled here, they have violated the order under section 144 Criminal Procedure Code, and they will be prosecuted under 188 of Indian Penal Code. They will all be arrested right now.
So how many people?
And I will also recommend to the government to suspend OC of the West Agartala Police Station because he has not acted upon repeated complaints of people. And I, as a district magistrate, have to come here. This is very shameful on the part of the police that they have behaved like this.
So how many people arrested?
They will count. कितने लोग इधर? काउंट करके बोलो.
सर ओसी
को कल मैं सस्पेंड करा रहा हूँ. तुम लोग जो काम कर रहे हो ना, अभी काउंट कर बोलो कितने हैं. चलो, वरना तुम भी जाओगे इसके साथ. चलो.
नहीं हूँ मैं सर, वो आ रहा है.
तुम जो भी हो, काउंट करके बोलो. I am bloody your district magistrate. Okay? What is your name? तुम भी जाओगे उसके साथ. तुम लोग साले bloody, you all are hand in gloves with these people. Count and tell me. This is my command as a district magistrate. Count. You people have forgotten your bloody police training.